As the Passover holiday neared, Bertha Berkowitz and her surviving friends prepared to hold a secret Seder in their block.
We stole Perlkartoffel from the kitchen. That's the potatoes boiled in the skin. The girls brought in raisins, so we made wine.
They steeped the raisins in sugar and hot water, covered the container to ferment, and then hid it.
And that was a big holiday. We said our prayers, whatever by heart, whatever we had a Seder, and we had the Seder. You played with your life to do something like this.
No one survived Auschwitz on her own.
We were 6 girls in one koya. I guess we had 2 blankets. There was no pillows, of course, because our soup bowl was the pillow. If one turned, all had to turn. I always go to my barrack, 27, and I see my bed where I spent my few years, my young years.